Okay, here we are for this week's update. First week in June, and the weather's gotten just incredible. We're running 28 to 34 degrees the last couple of days, so really quite warm. And just beautiful sunny, which means the tomatoes are doing good. So are the marigolds. But you can see they're really doing good. Lots and lots of blossoms coming. So there we have those blossoms. But you'll see they're starting to flop over. Time to get the strings in here, get them straightened out. So the thing to know about the tomatoes I'm growing here, they're called what's indeterminate as opposed to determinate. What the difference is, I don't know. Who makes these names up? I don't know. But the difference between a determinate and an indeterminate tomato, the indeterminates like to fall over. Like that guy. They get so tall and then they fall over. And wherever they touch the ground, they start a new root system. So I don't know if I can get it here. See all those little fingers? Well, if they touch the dirt, they will become roots. And this is how these tomatoes, one of the ways they propagate themselves, they grow tall, they fall over, get a new set of roots, grow tall, fall over, and keep going. And that's why they're super easy to clone. I know that guy hadn't taken off yet. You just take something like that, stick it straight in the dirt, and you'll get another tomato coming. Just that easy. If you check some of my back catalog on my videos, you'll see where I did an experiment using different rooting compounds. But I'll leave that up to you to find that if you wish. But yeah, everybody's doing really good, but man, I've got to get out here. I think that's a project for either today or tomorrow. Get out, get the strings set up in here so that they can grow tall. I have had tomato plants that were 6 to 8 feet tall. They're just crazy. Put strings so they go up as tall as they go, and then I feed them across the roof and down the other side, or sometimes I just top them. A little too early right now for topping, but once they get to be about 4 feet tall, I think that's when I'll start topping them. Anyways, all the boxes are doing good. They're drinking a lot the last few days. It's been so hot. So I watered yesterday, and I put 16 liters in each box. Now I have gone away from using the 28-10-10, the high nitrogen, and the last fill and yesterday's fill, they were the 20-20-20 fertilizer, which is a good all-round fertilizer. I'll probably stick with that for a month, and then I'll go to my 15-30-15 for a month, and then, depending on how everything's going, of course, I'll probably go to the Power Bloom, which really pushes the flowers, pushes the fruit, and that's when we start getting lots of tomatoes. No tomatoes yet. I'll be excited when I get my first tomato, but you can see just about every plant has lots of little yellow flowers or little buds coming. So there we have it for this week's update. Just a short little update. So no matter where you are in the world, I hope you're having a great day. and enjoying yourselves. Cheers.